In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a WordPress subscription in Gohighlevel. To get started, open Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where the WordPress subscription is currently active. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu used to access different areas of the platform. From that left side menu, click on Sites. This will take you to the section where website-related tools and connected site services are managed. After the page loads, move to the top menu and click on WordPress. That will open the WordPress area where you can view the installed or connected WordPress subscription you want to remove. Next, hover your mouse over the WordPress item you want to cancel. When you do that, more options should become available. Look for the three-dot menu and click on it to open the action list for that subscription. In the drop-down menu, select Cancel Subscription. At this point, Gohighlevel will begin the cancellation flow. You'll be asked how you want to cancel, so choose Cancel immediately. This option ends the subscription right away, so make sure that's the choice you want before continuing. If this WordPress setup is still being used for anything important, it's a good idea to double-check that before moving forward. After selecting that option, click Proceed to Cancellation. On the next screen, click Next to continue through the confirmation process. You'll then be asked to provide a reason for cancellation. Simply choose or enter the reason that best fits your situation. This part is usually required so the platform can collect feedback, so just complete it and move on. After that, you'll see a final confirmation step. In the confirmation field, type delete exactly as shown in all capital letters. This is a security step designed to make sure the cancellation is intentional, since the action may affect your WordPress service immediately. Once you've entered that confirmation word correctly, click Cancel Subscription to finalize the process. And that's it. Your WordPress subscription in Gohighlevel will be canceled. As a final tip, take a moment to confirm that the subscription no longer appears as active after the process is complete. That way you can be sure the cancellation went through successfully. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.